In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change transparency in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the transparency of any material and any part that you create in Jujutsu Shenanigans. This is going to allow you to make many cool effects like glass and hell, which is a very popular one at the moment. So I've went ahead and I spawned this big part to demonstrate how this looks. Of course, you can use any size, any part, it doesn't matter. I'm only using this big cube for demonstration. So in here, you can change many aspects about the part. Primarily, you will be able to change the material, so you can clearly notice that the material is changing as soon as I click on these options here. And if you want to change the transparency, first what I recommend is that you set it to glass, but this isn't mandatory. It's just that glass is going to be the best choice for a transparent part. Now, to change the transparency, you just have to use this input field here. As you can see, immediately upon clicking on it, it lists transparency. Now, the way this works is that the closer the number is to 1, the less transparent it is going to be. So essentially, you just have to go to a value lower than 1, between 0 and between 1. So as you can see, for example, if I do 0.5, this is going to make the material half transparent. But because it is glass, I can still tell that there is a glass panel in my way here and I am being blocked. But of course, if you were to make this a little bit thinner and maybe place it inside of other parts, it would look like a window. And the lower you go, the more transparent it is going to be. So essentially, you just have to keep changing this value and make it as transparent as you wish. As you can see on 0.9, it is so transparent that I can barely tell that there is a window here. But of course, due to the reflection and the sun rays, I can kind of tell because whenever I walk up close to it, I can see the reflection blurring everything behind it. So this is all you have to do to change the transparency. Change this field here, and of course you can try experimenting with different materials and seeing how it looks. Glass is going to be the best choice for transparency, but this isn't of course required. You just have to change the value accordingly and set the transparency to whatever you prefer for the desired effect. I hope I was able to help you on how to change transparency in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.